Welcome to maths class. Today I am going to discuss integration of some special function. Now in the integration we have these three types of functions are there. 1 upon a square minus x square, 1 upon a square plus x square, 1 upon x square minus a square. First we derive the formulas for these special function and then we use these formulas to solve the different question. Sometimes it is asked in the CBSE board exam, that is derive this formula and then use this formula to solve the question. So first we derive these formulas. Now look at in this. Here in this we have these three types of functions are given to us. That is a square minus x square minus a square and a square plus x square. In second chapter we discussed about this. When we have a function of the type a square minus x square, then in this we substitute x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta. And if you have a function like this x square minus a square, then we substitute x is equal to a secant theta or a cosecant theta, because we have the formula of 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, secant square theta minus 1, cosecant square theta minus 1. And in this we put x is equal to a tan theta or a cot theta. So by substituting these values instead of x, we make the function simpler. So I am going to discuss this first type here, that is dx upon a square minus x square. So in this I substitute x is equal to a sin theta. So I do its derivative, dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. So now I put all the values here. Dx is equal to a cos theta d theta upon a square minus a square sin square theta. Now we take here a square common. So you will get this 1 minus sin square theta. And we know that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So this will come out here as a cos theta d theta upon a square cos square theta. 1 a is cancelled with this, 1 cos is cancelled with this. So you are left with 1 upon a d theta upon cos theta, and 1 upon cos theta is equal to secant theta. So what is the integration of log secant theta? That is, the secant theta is log secant theta plus tan theta plus c. So this will becomes the integration of this function, that is secant theta. Now we put here the back value of secant theta and tan theta. We put these values with the help of this. Here we substitute x as a sin theta. So we change here back, that is theta in the form of x. So from this you will get x upon a is equal to sin theta. So we find these values with the help of right angle triangle. We know that sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is its base? That is a square minus x square. So from this now here 1 upon a log, what is secant theta? That is, we know that secant theta is as hypotenuse upon base. So this will become a upon root a square minus x square plus, and what is tan theta? That is perpendicular upon base. So x upon root a square minus x square plus c. Now we simplify this factor. How you will simplify this concept here? In this we take the LCM. What is the LCM here as? We have this 1 upon a log a plus x upon root a square minus x square. We factorize this a plus x upon, what is this? Root a minus x root a plus x plus c. Then 1 upon a log. Now this root a plus x move to the numerator. So you will get this. Now this is, we write down like this, log. This is a plus x upon a minus x raised to power 1 by 2. Now we take this 1 by 2 before log. So this will come out here 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. So see, you will get this formula 1 upon 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c. That means whenever we have any question is of the form 1 upon a square minus x square, we use this formula to solve it. See here, I am taking one example related to this. Suppose I have a question here as this is do the integration of this 1 upon 4 minus x square. So what we do in this? We do this 2 square minus x square dx. Now when we compare with this, now here this what is a? A is equal to 2 and x is as it is. So what is its formula? Instead of a we substitute 2 log what is a? 2 plus x upon 2 minus x plus c. So you will get its answer as log 1 upon 4 log this is there. So in this way we can use this direct formula after comparing our question with the formula, and we replace the value of a by comparison, then we put in the formula and you will get the result. In the same way we have the concept of 1 upon x square minus a square. See this a square minus x square, what is its factorization? A minus x, a plus x. So in the formula we have a plus x upon a minus x. In the same way we put here x is equal to a secant theta, and then we solve the procedure, and the procedure of a square minus x square and x square minus a square is completely same. So you try yourself. Now I am going to discuss the concept of this 1 upon a square plus x square. Now in this, students, I told you that is if the question is of the form a square plus x square, then we put x is equal to a tan theta. So this will become here as this is a square plus a square tan square theta. Instead of dx, here we do its derivative. So this will become a secant square theta d theta. So here in this numerator you will get a secant square theta d theta. So here this is a secant square theta d theta upon a square common. What is 1 plus tan square theta? That is secant square theta, and this is d theta. Secant square is cancelled with secant square, 1a is cancelled with 1a. So you will get 1 upon a d theta. And what is the integration of this? Theta. Now here we have to put the back value of theta. From this again we take this x upon a is tan theta. So what is tan theta? As this is theta is equal to tan inverse x upon a. So 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. See, this is the answer, 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Suppose I have a question like this, 4 plus x square dx. So here we change this 4 into 2 square plus x square. So after comparing this, what is this? A is equal to 2. So 1 upon a tan inverse x upon 2 plus c, and instead of a we replace 2. So 1 upon 2 tan inverse x upon 2 plus c, this will becomes the integration of the function 1 upon 4 plus x square. So first, that is, we compare our question with these types of function. Then after comparing we do the integration of the function of the form 1 upon a square minus x square, 1 upon a square plus x square, and 1 upon x square minus a square. Thank you, students.